Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Talk. In today's video, we're going to see the most asked important interview question, rank versus dense rank versus row number. And this is very important question from the interview perspective. So here what I will do guys for this question, I will create a student table with student ID, name and what is the score of this student. And also I am going to insert few records. Okay, so here I am storing the student score. Okay, let me create the table is created. Okay, let me insert few records. Okay, let me see the table. Select star from students. See, we're having a record now. So here now, whenever your interviewer is asking you to get the rank based on this score, so see here, so Bob is having a 90, also Ema is also having a 19, Grace. So we have a three student having a score as a 90. So here the rank should be 1 for all three, right? So now whenever interview is asking this type of question, then how you can answer him? Now let me start the query. Select star from student. What I will do, instead of star I will use student name and score. Student name I will add here score. Okay, now first I will use the row number. Okay, so we have a row number. This is a window function. Okay, so whenever you are using the function, give the braces here. Okay, over here you can give order by, you have to order this right by score, correct? Then give here the score and in descending as row number. Let me execute this query. See guys, here I am getting the row number for every student and this is simple. So it's in a sequential order. Now what I will do, I will add rank and dense rank here. Okay, let me copy paste this same line. So rank is also the function and here what I will give rank. Same for dense rank. Dense rank and this is dense rank. Let me add the braces here. Let me execute this query now. Okay. See guys, here this is row number, here rank and dense rank. Now see the difference here. Whenever I am having a 90 as a score, that time in both the cases I am getting the rank as a 1. That is correct. Okay. But whenever I'm getting 85, so in case of rank I'm getting directly as a 4. Okay, so it will calculate 1 2 3 and then 4, and for 75 it will go to direct 6 because this is 3 plus 2 5 and then this is 6. Okay, so this way rank will calculate, but in case of dense rank you can see for first 390 this is 1. Okay, for 85 again it is sharing 2 because the next rank is 2, and for 75 also you can see here the dense rank it is giving me the third. Okay, so dense rank is giving me in a sequential order, but rank is giving me by skipping the number. When I'm saying skipping, it means the rank is also considering the row number as well as the rank. That is why it is skipping the number. Okay, but dense rank is not considering the row number while calculating the rank. So remember this difference guys. This is very important from the interview perspective. Also remember here guys, whenever you are using these functions, Windows functions, that time you can always use the over here because otherwise it will not work. Let me show you. Let me remove this. Let me try for one. See guys, it is giving me the row number must have a over clause. So always remember over is mandatory with Windows function. Let me summarize here. So row number assign a unique sequential number to each row. Rank provide a unique rank with the gaps, and dense rank assign a consecutive rank without gaps. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share the Tech and Talk. Also, if you have any queries, please drop me a comment below. Please keep practicing. Happy coding guys, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you in next video.